Smoke a blunt. I love to smoke a blunt, man. Hey, man, you know, my white homies ask me, do you like bongs or blunts? I tell them blunts, because I get pulled over all the time. I can't be throwing bongs out the window, you know what I mean? Smoke the blunt, nice and slow. Hold the smoke, then let it go. Smoke a blunt, nice and slow. Hold the smoke, then let it go. I love smoking weed all by myself. Don't have to pass it to no one else. I hit my blunt anytime I want. Got so much weed, I don't have to hunt. I don't get hyper, I don't get crunk.